Did you know we have a Discord server where you can talk with people every single day about silver and gold? Find out more about it at the end of the video. You know, sometimes you just have to get back to what started it all. And that's what we're doing today. We have an awesome silver unboxing with some brand new 2022 silver coins. Let's open this thing up and take a look. Now, obviously, not all of these are 2022. We have a couple of repeats, but the majority of these, like what I believe is in this tube and what I believe are in these tubes, are brand new this year and really excited to show them off to you. We also have a new Lion King. Let's take a look. Man, that's beautiful. Holy smokes. You got Timon and Pumbaa and, of course, Simba himself. And they're walking across the log with a lot of moss on it. How cool is that? Very cool. All right, let's see what else we have before we get into the tubes. We have these 1 ounce silver Snoopies, the 2021 Peanuts. And we have Snoopy dancing on the front. Very cool. We got quite a few of those. We'll get those aside. Now, let's get into these tubes. These are all brand new to the channel. Never showed them off on the channel before. We have some 2022 Maid Marian. Look at that. That's a Great Britain 1 ounce silver coin. The finish is not perfect. Look at that. It even has a scratch on her cheek right there. And a milk spot on the forehead. Oh, that's not good. Let's take a look at the next one. That's better. Man, that top one. Huh. That top one is not what I expected as far as... Whoa, what? Milk spot right here over F by F and D. What? All right, let's look at the third one down. Milk spot right here on the hair. Milk spot over on 22. Oh, come on. These are brand new 2022 silver coins, and we're looking at milk spots here. I think this is the first one I don't see a milk spot on. Wow. Okay. Well, hopefully we don't have the same issue with what's in this. Let's get these back in the tube for now. I'll deal with that later. All right, let's get these open. These are 1 ounce silver African penguin. This right here is from the San Diego Wildlife Alliance. These are not obviously dated, so they're 2021 because they came out this year and they don't have a face value on them. So really the 2022s were our spotted Maid Marians. Looks like we might have a little milk spot right here on the proof finish on the penguin here. Let's take a look at this one. Little milk spot up here. Man, everything I've bought is milk spotted. What is going on? All right, let's look at these. 1 ounce silver rhinoceros. 1 ounce 99 fine AG. This one does not actually have a milk spot. I'm actually impressed at this point. San Diego Zoo Wildlife Alliance 1 ounce silver rhino. Very cool. All right, so we have the penguin and the rhino. We got a tube of both of those. We got a tube of the Maid Marians with all the milk spots. We got a bunch of the, we got 10 of the Peanuts dancing, and we got 10 of the Simba, Pumbaa, and Timon 1 ounce silver Lion Kings. Very, very cool, guys. I hope you enjoyed an old-fashioned unboxing. It's been a while since we got back to our roots and did a silver unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed it. All right, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. So did you know that we have a community Discord server that's partnered with Discord and has over 2,000 members and growing every single day? You can go there right now and discuss silver, gold, you can discuss coin collecting, miscellaneous collectibles, or just generally chat with other people in the community every single day in our Discord right now. It's very simple to join. Just go to discord.gg/silver. I'll put a link in the description below and join us today. Very awesome community and really look forward to seeing you in there. Make sure you go over there and check it out. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I did leave a video above you can check out if you haven't seen it yet. I also want to give a huge shout out and a huge thank you to my awesome channel supporters scrolling right there on the right hand of the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.